We're here in the Botanical Gardens and the top of San Miguel, really. It's beautiful here. There's a beautiful canyon that
Yes.
we walk down to. All kinds of plants, lots of cactus, and lots of agave.
Yeah, it's pretty cool out here. We found a little piece of the desert right up here, the high desert of San Miguel.
It's gorgeous out here. You can hike, you can sit, there's places in the shade that you can rest, but take a look at this beautiful canyon. Not too much of a waterfall right now because we're in kind of the dry season, but it's beautiful.
Awesome.
There's usually a waterfall behind us. Pretty cool.
And that's a wrap. Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's the way we're ending this. This video is officially over. See you next week.